So around 2 to 3 months ago, I built up my Depop store to the point now where it's making 10 grand a month. Why is this cool? Because it meant I got a top seller ranking. It meant the algorithm would push out all of my items to more audiences. But more importantly, it now means I can help you guys with running your Depops. That's what we're doing here. Why aren't your listings selling? It's simple. Depop is built like Instagram, exactly the same way that a social media platform is built. The algorithm is the exact same. I'm not expecting you guys to know how to blow up a TikTok or Instagram page, but the majority of people will know the way you do it is through being consistent. And with Depop, it is no different, my friends. So even if you have a store full of super nice items, however, you posted them all on the same day, that means John over here, who's got much worse items, however, he was smart and he posted 3 items a day for every day of the week. The smarter your posting strategy is and the more consistent you are, the more likely the platform is going to push you out. In fact, it's not even more likely, they do push you out because we've experienced it ourselves. Now I know there's so many of you who've got to this part of the video and you're probably thinking, well, I've just started, but I can't get that many items. Look, this excuse does not work anymore. You see, back in the day, suppliers would only sell to the people who have money, right? It makes sense. And then it means for regular people like us, we miss out. We have to end up spending £600 on a pair of branded jeans, which we didn't even want. Now we're lucky enough that we can go onto a website and find a bundle of items which we know we can sell, and they're only something like £50. Wait, you don't know about this? Oh shit, let me tell you. Is I've set up a community. Why? I realized there was so much wrong with this industry and so much needed to change. Where do we start though? We start with the stupid suppliers scamming you guys. It is shocking to me that people have to go to a supplier to pay so much money for an item that you know the supplier is getting for a literal 1/10 of the price, and it hurts to see people lose money. We've rolled out the pre-order for our bundles. So this now means you guys can order those 50, 250, 1,000, however much it is, you guys can now order. That is probably the most boring part, to be honest. Here's where it gets exciting. So we've networked with a community of all the top sellers in Depop and even just some influencers out there, people who are locked in and just in the industry. What we've done is we've set ourselves a task of making you guys the most successful resellers possible. And so when you join our premium server on Discord, you get a free OG Tiger tag, which is going to have so many benefits in the future. We build a free logo for you. You get an extra hour on top of the hour you already have of one-on-one training with one of the specialists in our team. The big one is you get hugely discounted prices on our network of influencers who are literally going to sit there and promote your Depop page. What we have in our server is the complete way to turn your Depop from being a side hustle into a business. And the quicker you guys join, the better it is. You're going to get all of our energy and attention, all of these top Depop sellers diverting all of their attention towards you. And logically, this only works if you guys win. If you guys join our server, you don't get any value or any experience from it, then why is somebody else going to want to join? We have a set out goal to make you as successful as possible, so then you can go and tell your friends the good word. You guys need to understand how big of an opportunity this is. If you want to turn your side hustle into a business, then please, please, please join the Discord. It's literally in the link on my YouTube page. Now, we only have 100 spaces left on this month's community. We have to go out to each member that joins our community and make sure that they're getting all the value that they can from our server. This is a huge opportunity, and as I said, there's only 100 spots left, so the quicker you are in on this, the better it is going to be. The link is literally on my YouTube page sitting there. If you don't go in and join today, then I promise you are missing out.